I'm in a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So while the vehicle's on, we'll look to the side here, and this is your traction control button. So just push it once to turn it off, and again to turn it on. You typically want it on all the time. And if you could hear too, there was a beep confirming it's turning off and on. And you'll know it's on or off because the symbol's lit. This means it's off right now, and then pushing that button again turns it on. And you might have it off in situations, say you're like towing in a vehicle. This way it doesn't interfere with your transmission. Or let's say you're driving on really rough road conditions, like a lot of loose gravel, ice, snow. Maybe you're stuck in the mud and trying to get unstuck. You might turn it traction control off. That way you don't have certain wheels spinning when you don't want them to. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.